Ever wondered which is faster, a sneeze or a cough? Let's settle the debate. A sneeze is a forceful expulsion of air from the nose and mouth. It's usually triggered by irritation in the nasal passages, while a cough is a forceful expulsion of air from the lungs, often triggered by irritation in the throat or airways. A cough can travel as fast as 50 miles per hour and expel almost 3,000 droplets in just one go. Sneezes win though. They can travel up to 100 miles per hour and create upwards of 100,000 droplets. Yikes! Remember, covering your mouth when you sneeze or cough is important to prevent the spread of germs.